Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can schedule a time for a task. Alright, so in this video, we will be learning how we can set the timer for any task. For example, I want to run the timer of 10 seconds. So instead of 3 seconds, I am giving here 10. Okay, and as soon as I will click on the set timer, so it will start to run. Simultaneously I also can edit other cells as well. I can do any task in other sheets as well, right? So the user will be able to do, but as soon as it will become a zero, I mean when your timer will get over, so automatically the things that you want to generate, you want to execute. Okay, so in my case that I got a message box. Okay, instead of message box, if you guys want to put something else, you want to execute any other macro, you guys can call that macro, okay, by itself, right? So that is what we are going to run. Again, I am going to run one more time that timer of 10 seconds. As soon as I will click on timer, it is it has started to run, but I want to stop it right away. So you can click on end time, sorry. In the end time, as soon as you have clicked, okay, on the button of end time, it will get stop. Okay, but if you want to again resume it, you can click on set timer. Okay, in my case I will get the one message box of done. Okay, so how we have achieved it, that is what we will be learning. In a very short code we can achieve it. Alt F11 you need to press, you need to write the code in option explicit mode, option explicit, sub procedure next movement, dim sh as a worksheet, define the sheet name, in which sheet you are going to define the time. It is timer. Okay, so if ss dot range a2 dot value, why we have put a2? Because this cell is linked to a2 here. So for example, I am giving it 10 second. Okay, 10. If this is 0, then my code should get stopped. Okay, the first thing, ss dot range, this is the important line which I am writing, dot value equal to ss dot range a2 dot value minus time value comma 0 0 0 1. Okay, next, if ss dot range a2 dot value equal to 0, then message box. In my case I am calling message box. Instead of message box, you guys can call anything, any macro. Okay, I am giving the comment, you guys can call any macro if you want to execute. I will also provide you this sheet so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, and I want to call one more macro here, start time. That is what start time is called. Sub procedure start time, application dot on time now plus time value 0 0 0 0 0 1. The procedure as a string, the procedure we need to define the procedure. What procedure it should call? It should call next moment. Next moment. That's it. Just copy and paste again. For the more for the one button more, which is end time. Okay, we need to comma and false. That's it. That is what is the coding to set up the timer, right? Nothing you need to do more than this. So what I am going to do, I am clicking on right and assign macro. So here I have two, next movement. So what I can do, I can change the name. It is Akash, for example. Akash, I will copy this and paste it here and paste it here. I will right click on it, assign macro, Akash, next moment Akash, simple. In the end moment, what I can do, in the end moment also I can do underscore 1. Okay, so if I will click right click, assign macro and time, right? So if I will click on set timer, now it's started to run. For example, anything that you want to do, but as soon as it will become 0, so I will get a message box. That's sure. See, I got it right, but I clicked on OK. For example, I want to set the time of 20 seconds. set timer. If I want to stop it right away, I can stop it. I want to resume it, I can resume it. Very simple, nothing you need to do more than this. If you want to copy this data, you can copy and paste. Simultaneously you also will be able to work on other data as well, right? But your timer is being run, okay? So you don't need to do anything. As soon as it will become 0, your timer will get over. You will, your task automatically will start to execute as this happen, in front of you guys, right? So I hope guys you have liked this video. This is how, and even I will share you this file. Okay, you guys can download this file from the description box. This will, this will be helpful for you guys to understand, because we have not written that much complex, VBA coding. Okay, in today's video it is very easy. If you guys, you guys also can mug up it, but I would recommend you just to understand it, how you can make it more flexible, how you can make it, usable or easier, for you and for your team, right? So if you guys have any question, if you have not understood anything, please do comment me. Okay, I'll definitely reply you back, and I'll try to emphasize it in the better way. Okay, so I hope guys you have liked this video. Thank you very much for watching it. All right, so let's meet again in the next video with a new topic. Thank you very much everyone. Bye bye.